Oh, frowny face. What's wrong, frowny face? Yeah, sitting outside. Super nice out. Buttercup. Buttercup, you have no face recognition. You have no face recognition. Oh my god. Let's see if we can see in our neighbor's house.
I don't think that bird ever flew out.
Just went in there?
Yeah.
Bird went in there and didn't come out.
That is a small ass house.
Well, they can't all be as big as ours, honey.
Can you stop
Stop what?
videotaping me?
Putting us on YouTube.
No, stop.
So, say something funny.